Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Its colors name yellow ochre color, blue color, green color, red color, black color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw one, the numbers of one, and use yellow ochre color. Two, the numbers of two, and again use yellow ochre color. It's night of three, the numbers of three, and use blue color. It's again use blue color and draw four, the numbers of four. It's night of five, the numbers of five, and again use blue color. It's night of six, the numbers of six, and use green color. Seven, the numbers of seven, and again use green color. It's night of eight, the numbers of eight, and use red color. It's again use red color and draw nine, the numbers of nine. It's night of 10, the numbers of 10, and again use red color. It's night of 11, the numbers of 11, and use black color. It's night of 12, the numbers of 12, and again use black color. It's night of 13, the numbers of 13, and use yellow color. 14, the numbers of 14, and again use yellow color. It's night of 15, the numbers of 15, and again use yellow color. It's night of 16, the numbers of 16, and use yellow ochre color. It's again use yellow ochre color and draw 17, the numbers of 17. It's night of 18, the numbers of 18, and use blue color. It's again use blue color and draw 19, the numbers of 19. Kids night at 20, the numbers of 20, and again use blue color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.